Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Agix chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We are also holding above the key area of support at around the $0.39455 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area within this blue target area, and having now bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, and that was after seeing a 5 wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.67 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And before we started our Elliot wave structure to the upper side, we had been seeing higher prices in this 1-2 setup to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area in the formation of that wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.31625 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis, where you can see that I have the larger Elliot wave count 3 right here, and I also have micro Elliot wave counts within the formation of that wave 3, where we have now peaked in the formation of that first wave to the upper side in a move that has now given me a high at around the $0.59 mark. And having seen the high for that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which is highlighted here on the charts using this white target area. And I was able to come up with that target area by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And having fully maximized that target area, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a target area in the formation of this wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.8841 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Agix to do here on the short-term scenarios. And in the formation of that wave 3, I will also be expecting to see another 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. So as long as we are holding above key areas of support over here at around the $0.39455 mark, and we don't also make one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, there are high chances that we are going to start gearing up see a break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.45 mark, and also break above our significant high at around the $0.5 mark, continue gearing up and fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 44 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross to fully support higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.